Dollar Tree. So I thought it was like a supermarket. Microwave cover. Oh, guys. Oh, I'm adulting. But this is my set. So it's gonna, because the towels that I got the last time were actually smaller. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I am tired. I just came back from work like an hour ago maybe, and I just had dinner. Bad choices. I've been making bad choices, guys. I want to show you. Since I started working, cooking has not been happening. Like yesterday I bought quinoa, baby spinach, and I was like I was gonna cook, but then I came back after 10 because Target. Today I finished a bit later at work, like 2 hours later, and I was like I'm not gonna cook after arriving after 8:30 p.m. So yeah, but sure guys, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comment section. Just say how's your day going? Hope you guys are having a better day than mine. My day wasn't horrible, honestly. It's just that I need to cook. So we are continuing the home shopping series, part of relocation. So I want to show you guys what I got, more things that I got yesterday at Target and Dollar Tree. So after work yesterday, I decided to go around. I started at Dollar Tree because it was closer. So I just went like supermarkets near me, and then closer was Dollar Tree. So I thought it was like a supermarket. And I get there and it's like a place that actually sells things for like as cheap as $1.25, depending on what you're getting. But at Dollar Tree, let's start with Dollar Tree stuff. So at Dollar Tree, I got paper towel. Really, I needed more than one, but I got this microwave cover for food because yeah, we need this. I hope it's big enough for all the plates that we have, but I forgot how much it was. I don't have the receipt. There's no price on it. And then I got more games. So I got Jenga, tumbling tower game. Got Jenga, baby and I will be playing. Baby's coming home tomorrow, guys, 2 days early. I got freezer bags, Ziploc freezer bags, because I really do want to buy food and prep it and store it. And then I have a lighter. I have a lighter because I bought a candle there as well. Let me get the other bag from Dollar Tree. Oh, and because I didn't bring our shopping bags, so I bought this, but it wasn't big enough, so they gave me a plastic. In this plastic, we have bag clips, multi-purpose clips. So for like closing our chips, whatever things that we open and need to be sealed. I got car freshness for the car. And I got this massive candle, guys. It smells very nice. It's Harvest Cider. So this was like $5. Harvest Cider. The reason why I got this one is because I really like the container that's in, because I will reuse it for something else. It's nice. It's going with the wood thing. So I think I'm gonna put it on. Actually, this I got for the coffee table. You'll see when I do it now, guys. And I'm gonna light it because I got the lighter. And I got more incense sticks. I'm gonna put these ones in. So that's the thing, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Should I put incense sticks on the coffee table and not the candle, or the candle? I think the candle is nicer. We'll see. We'll play around. But what do you guys think? I bought more incense sticks. I will try this. I'll put it in the guest bathroom, or where should I put it? Because this is open plan. I don't want to have too many scents in one room. So the candle will be fine for the kitchen, dining, living area. Maybe this will go in our bedroom. We'll see. And I got dishwashing liquid to finally put in our dishwashing dispenser in the kitchen. So that was it for Dollar Tree. Oh, I also got at Dollar Tree, I got noodles, guys. These noodles are all not nice. There's no flavor here. Don't buy these, guys. The flavor is bleh. But I got these to help me for lunch, for work, and I had one for breakfast and one for lunch today. That's how it's been. And I also had dinner. And I had a guava and a peach. And at Target, I bought these, guys, because I'm like, I need to have like scaftini stuff, you know, lunch stuff. I need to carry my lunch. Anyways, from there, I went to Costco. Why didn't you guys tell me that Costco is also a membership place? And America, what is up with this membership thing? You know, back home in South Africa, we have Macro. right? The nice thing about macro is that, yes, you have to have a card to be able to shop there, but it's more for like your receipt, and I don't know if you get discounts or whatever. And it's also not like a yearly membership where you have to pay a certain amount to be a part of that membership, of that club, and be able to shop in that store. Firstly, I heard about Sam's Club. This lady in Walmart told me about Sam's Club, and I was like, yo, okay, we pay to go shop in your store, great. Now I hear about, I get to Costco and it's the same thing. They were like, oh, sorry, you need to be a member. And I'm like, hey. And here I am with my trolley, and I thought I was gonna pour petrol as well yesterday at Costco because it was cheaper, guys. It was so much cheaper. I drove to that Costco because I saw their filling stations. It was like $2.87 for fuel per gallon. And I was like, hey, I don't know how much, I didn't even know how much gallons are. Like, what's the cost of a gallon? Because it was my first time putting petrol yesterday. But when I got there, they were like, oh yeah. So I did a walk around and I was like, it's just the normal supermarket, nothing special. Not like supermarket, but it's like a wholesale store because they've got furniture, they've got clothing, they've got appliances like electronics, they've got food. So it's like macro because they actually sell in bulk as well. So it is like macro if you know macro in South Africa. If you're not from South Africa, Google macro, you'll see. But the difference is that here you have to pay for membership. So I was like, okay, great. So I went to Target because in Target we trust. In Walmart we trust. We can walk in and out without being members. So when I got to Target, I spent another 2 to 3 hours walking around the store. And I finally got this, guys. TikTok. So this is not the brand that they show on TikTok because on TikTok they keep on showing Timo, right? But I've been looking for the Timo thing. I don't want to order online, guys. I just wanted something now here. I don't know, me and online, I'm just, yeah. So I'm gonna try it because it looks the same like the Timo, but I got this. I'm gonna try it on my kaferar. Then to the shopping. Guys, maybe I need to open this. Let me open this because this I can open with you guys right now. So I got these. I think we've got a gazillion of them now because the pots, remember the pot set that I bought at Walmart last week? I think Mondays are my shopping days because yesterday was Monday as well. But these I got because look at how cute they are. Anyways. Oh, guys, these are actually cuter than, they even like have a name. Like, these are nice. I'm gonna wash them obviously. But it's a set of 10 pieces, which is quite nice. I liked it because, guys, I'm adulting. I love this adulting. Why? Guys, stop me, please. Why am I singing like that? But let me get the rest of the stuff that I got for this specifically. I need to move to the other bag because I need to put things together for you guys to see. Okay? So we get the big bag. This is a massive bag. So, let's see if the massive bag has. But I got this stand, guys. Swivel stand, which is supposed to carry my... Where are the things? Initially, I was gonna get like a holder, utensils holder, but now because it's wood on wood, I don't think I'm gonna put it here. I'll put it somewhere else. But y'all see why I got the wooden stuff. So I got these because I'm really doing this earthy thing. Like I'm really going for this earthy thing, but I will. So the plan was when I got this swivel thing, I wanted to get a different utensils holder, but they didn't have one that I liked and that actually already matched with... Doesn't this thing lock? No. Yes, it does. That actually goes with the other things that I bought that will go on the holder. Because, let me show you. So I got this for the paper towel, right? Paper towel holder. So you see the whole theme of, I wanted this stone for a holder, utensils holder, but they didn't have it. Because then I was going to get like wooden, like complete wooden utensils for this. And then put it on the stand, but they didn't have it. So I ended up getting this one, saying to myself that it won't stay on the stand. It will just be somewhere else. Maybe on the opposite side of the stove. But can you guys see? What is this one? It's so tiny. Guys, these are things that I don't even know. Some of these things I don't even use. There's a bigger one. What are these things for? You see, now I need to be a chef. I need to cook for my husband, guys. But this is my set, so it's gonna go in here like this. I love it. Guys, can you see? Let me know if you think it's cute, but yeah. So I got this. These things need to be washed first, but yeah, and then my paper towel. Guys, I am just very excited about these things. And then I got a lot of like toiletries. I got like face masks, a scrub, face scrub. Oh, look at this. Okay, now I know why I wanted complete wood, because you can't see the wood when the you can't see it like you see. Maybe I'll still look for wood and I'll see if I find wood at IKEA, because I haven't gone to IKEA. Maybe if I find wood at IKEA, but so far it looks like this. I don't like it. I need to get wood. I need to get wood for this one. There's something missing here, guys. I feel like my things, where are the other things? Yeah, that go on the stand. But I got a mixing bowl. We're doing wood in this house. So this, I was like, oh, when we have like our salad, like a green salad with babe, it's nice and small for the two of us. Put our green salad, and yeah, like we take it from here, from the dining table. You know, we'll see if it works out that way though. But yeah, guys, let me look for, hey, where are these things? Ah, there's another Target bag. Yay, this is a third Target bag. So here, yes. Guys, who is this? Who is this? I have this. Oh, almost broke it, guys. This olive oil and vinegar disperser set. You see, I just swivel it around. You guys will see when I place everything. And with that, guys, can someone tell me why I got a honey pot? This is for honey, right? Why did I get a honey pot? Why? Why did I get a honey pot with dipper? Guys, look at me being fancy. Honey pot with dipper. Look at this. It's broken. It is cracked. It's cracked. Will they take it back at Target? I need to take it back because it's cracked. Look at this. I cannot keep this like this. It's cracked, but you see, this is why I wanted like a holder like this kind of color. But we've got our honey pot, dipper, salt and pepper. You see, these are grinders. Guys, tell me, why did I get grinders? Why did I get grinders? Because now it means that we have to buy salt and pepper that is coarse and put it in here. But it's for the aesthetics, honeys. You guys see that? Salt and pepper. So this is the thing. So I think this one will stay on either here or for cooking. But this is also for cooking. It's like salt and pepper as well. It's written salt and pepper. Or here we can put something else like herbs, whatever we use a lot, like spices or something. Just to beautify this thing, you know. I don't know. I'll speak to Babe tomorrow. But I'm opening everything now, guys. Because I like it. I don't want him to say I take it back. So this one has to move away. And I will need to learn how to place these guys nicely. But you guys see. So we just move it around. We swivel it around. And it's ready. I don't know. I'm just happy with this. Maybe I put a plant in the middle. Like a nice green plant. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, guys. So this is that. Okay. Let's see the rest of the things that I got. So I got, this is Texas, guys. So I got can coolers for the car, one for me and one for the hoopster because the hoopster likes green. So I got one for each of us. So if ever we take in the car and we have drinks, we can put them there. And I got if you know, this is also from this place. What is this place called again? Dollar Tree. I got no, this is from Target. Hey, Dollar Tree. This is from Target. So I got this and it's like a burger smasher thingy. And then I got these sheets for the dryer. And let me show you one final item. The other things that I bought are like food and all the other stuff, which you guys, oh no, I'm lying. I got towels, 2 bigger towels for us because the towels that I got the last time were actually smaller. So I got 2 bigger ones and a cookbook. This is all for home, guys. This is all for us prepping for our place. Lastly, Babe ordered me a Tefal deep fryer, the same one that we had in Switzerland. So I found it today outside the door when we were speaking. He said, there's Amazon waiting for you at home. And I was like, what is it? He's like, you'll see when you get there. I'm like, oh, okay. And I got here and it was that. So yeah, guys. Anyways, what do you guys think? Do you think I'm a bit excessive, or do you think this is all gonna work out nicely? But yeah, guys, I'm very excited to be shopping for our home finally, like after a year and not even a year and 3 months. I mean, not like, yeah, actually it's been like a year and 3 months, and I'm very, very excited, as you guys can see and you can tell. But I'm very excited because I can't wait to move to a place. Let me put things where they're supposed to go.